This is the Kidde Mariner PWC fire extinguisher. This is going to be for your personal watercraft wave runner. This here is the Sea-Doo Spark 2022 model. It fits in here perfectly. I'm just looking to replace the fire extinguishers. The ones that we had in here were just original. You can see it just drops right in here. It's made exactly for this unit right here. It's my understanding that these fit pretty universal. The fire extinguishers are the same size. It has the same area to hold it in here. So if you're looking for a fire extinguisher for your personal watercraft, Sea-Doo, other brands, this is absolutely what you want to get. This is the box right here that it comes in. Just the standard fire extinguisher, but again, this is the Mariner PWC, so it's waterproof and everything like that. It's made for the fire protection for marine grade. It's 12 times more corrosive than industry standard for salt water if you're using it. Stainless steel and aluminum construction, and it's got a 12-year warranty on here. So definitely pick one of these up if you're looking to replace your PWC fire extinguisher. Highly recommend them.